So now we start brachial plexus. Brachial plexus in 5 roots: C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. And then in brachial plexus, trunk is divided into 3: root C5, C6 upper trunk, then again root 7 middle trunk, root T1 and C8 lower trunk. Division of the trunk: division, anterior division and posterior division. Then again divided chord in 3: lateral chord, posterior chord and medial chord. So start branches. Branches of the roots C5, C6 and C7. It is a long thoracic nerve supply of the serratus anterior muscle. Then again dorsal scapular nerve. It's C5. It supplies rhombozoid minor, major and levator scapulae. Then again branch of the trunk divided. Upper trunk gives 2 branch: suprascapular nerve C5, C6 and nerve to subclavius muscle C5, C6. So starts upper trunk. Suprascapular nerve and nerve to subclavius. Suprascapular nerve supply supraspinatus and infraspinatus, and the nerve to subclavius also supplies subclavius muscle. Lateral cord. In lateral cord, lateral pectoral nerve supply the pectoralis muscle. And next, musculocutaneous nerve C5 and C6 supply coracobrachialis and biceps and brachialis muscles. So next is medial nerve. Medial nerve supply 4 muscles: pronator teres, palmaris longus, flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor carpi radialis, and supply anterior interosseous nerve. And next, posterior cord of brachial plexus. It is a 3 branch, and the upper subscapular nerve and thoracodorsal nerve and lower subscapular nerve. Subscapular nerve supply the subscapularis muscle. And the second is thoracodorsal nerve. Thoracodorsal nerve also supply the latissimus dorsi muscles. Then third is lower subscapular nerve. The lower subscapular nerve supply subscapularis and the teres major muscles. The next is axillary nerve. Axillary nerve run anteriorly across the subcutaneous muscle, and axillary nerve supply to deltoid muscle. Radial nerve. Posterior cord of brachial plexus. Radial nerve supply the extensor muscles, allowing the extension of the wrist and fingers, and the radial nerve supply the extensor carpi radialis, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digitorum and extensor carpi ulnaris. And next is medial cord of brachial plexus. It is a 4 branch: medial pectoral nerve, medial cutaneous nerve of arm, medial cutaneous nerve of forearm and ulnar nerve. The medial pectoral nerve is supply of the muscle. It is a pectoralis minor and major muscle. The next is the medial cutaneous nerve of arm. And next is the ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve is originated from the C8 and the T1 nerve roots, which form the medial cord. Ulnar nerve divides into dorsal and palmar cutaneous branch. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe.